This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Monday morning. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, warm and dry for, at least today, and then some increased chances of precipitation as the week goes on.
Joe, we've had a ridge of high pressure that built out to the west, and it extends from pretty much California over the Rockies, and then we got a trough that's moving in starting today in the Pacific Northwest. And what that's going to do is it's going to break that ridge down, and then that southwesterly flow will turn back to the southeast this afternoon, start putting some moisture out ahead of that trough, and then we're going to start talking about daily thunderstorm chances tomorrow night, for sure on Wednesday night, and heading towards the weekend. And once we get past Saturday, high pressure will start building again back out to the west, and then that'll stay with us, it looks like, for most of next week. So once we get past the weekend, next week looks warm and dry, and we're probably talking upper 90s and triple-digit heat for that fourth to fifth week of the weekend. We got a longer month here in July, but again, that looks like July is going to end up pretty hot and dry there, at least for that next week. Up until then, we do got some chances for rain with this trough and breaking down this ridge. But for 2 days, like you said, we're going to see 90-degree heat. We're going to go middle 90s today, upper 90s to near 100 tomorrow before that cool front starts coming out of Nebraska and working its way southward and through the area on Wednesday. Out there this morning, we got 63 degrees out in Burlington, 67 in Gunland, 64 Oakley, and Oberlin, and 68 in McCook with a southwest breeze at 5 to 10 miles per hour. This afternoon, like we said, those winds will turn to a southeast direction, become breezier at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Got any chances for showers and storms today will stay on the front range and die before they reach the Kansas-Colorado border during the evening. However, as we get towards tomorrow, as that upper level trough gets more over the Rockies and we start seeing a low pressure develop over the area and with a frontal boundary up in Nebraska, we'll start to see some shower and thunderstorm activity fire towards evening up to our north in Nebraska. And by the time we go through the overnight hours, that stuff could start sinking southward and moving north of Highway 36 along that Kansas-Nebraska border, with some precipitation overnight. Once we get to Wednesday, that front will push through the area. The upper level trough will move off to the east. Cooler air will come in. We're going high temperatures for both Wednesday and Thursday in that upper 70s to 80 to maybe 85 degrees, depending which side of that frontal boundary you're sitting on. And then we've definitely got showers and thunderstorms Wednesday evening, then some activity again during the evening overnight on Thursday. The Wednesday stuff could have some severe weather with it. Large hail, wind gusts up there 60 to 70 mile an hour, and some locally heavy rain. We get to Friday, Saturday, we warm back up into the upper 80s, low 90s. We got chances for some isolated scattered stuff during the evening and overnight hours as well. Like we said, Sunday drying out, back up into the middle to upper 90s Sunday, Monday. Our low temperatures next 2 nights will be in the middle 60s, upper 60s, dropping into upper 50s, low 60s for Wednesday, Thursday, and then back into that 60 to 65 degree range to end the week and over the weekend.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.